What if I told you that everything you think you know about metabolism after 45 is dead wrong? New research from Harvard shows your slowing metabolism isn't about age. It's about 5 critical biological systems failing because of the wrong foods. Here's the scary part. 92% of people over 45 are making it worse every day by eating what they think are healthy foods. Take Dr. Robert Lustig's study. 50 overweight adults in their late 40s eliminated just one food group. Their metabolic rate jumped 53% in just 10 days. No exercise changes, no calorie counting. Today you'll discover the health food poisoning your mitochondria. You probably ate it today. A forgotten Amazonian superfood that activates brown fat 3 times better than cold therapy. Why your morning coffee ritual is destroying your metabolism, and the simple 10-second fix. If you've ever said, "I can't lose weight like I used to," this video could add 10 healthy years to your life. Let's fix your metabolism. 1. Why metabolism crashes. Let's start with the hard science. After 45, your body hits the metabolic perfect storm. 5 simultaneous breakdowns, mitochondrial dysfunction. Your energy factories get clogged. Study shows 45-year-olds have 37% fewer mitochondria than 25-year-olds. Muscle fiber shifting. You lose fast twitch fibers, the ones that burn fat fastest. MRI scans show 8.3% muscle loss per decade after 40. Hormone communication breakdown. Leptin resistance makes your brain ignore "I'm full" signals. Insulin sensitivity drops 50% between 40 to 55. The good news? All 5 systems respond to food-based interventions. 2. The 5 foods 4 to 8. Food 1. Wild Alaskan salmon. Why it works. EPA-DHA fatty acids reduce metabolic inflammation by 42%. Stimulates PPAR gamma receptors, your fat-burning switches. Pro tip, choose sockeye salmon, highest astaxanthin content, cook with rosemary. Boosts omega-3 absorption 300%. Food 2. Fermented kimchi. Why it works. Lactobacillus kimchi produces butyrate, repairs gut lining. Capsaicin from chili flakes activates TRPV1 receptors, burns 450 extra calories daily, making it work. Ferment with seaweed, boosts mineral content, add to bone broth for ultimate gut healing. Food 3. Ceylon cinnamon. Why it works. Proanthocyanidins, mimic insulin, reduce glucose spikes, lowers HbA1c by 1.2 points in 3 months. Clinical dose, 1/2 teaspoon daily, with protein or fat. Shopping hack, look for Sri Lankan origin, highest polyphenols, store in freezer to preserve potency. Food 4. Grass-fed beef liver. Why it works. Vitamin B12 boosts methylation, critical for metabolism. CoQ10 energizes mitochondria, better than supplements. Study shows weekly liver eaters had 23% faster metabolic rates. Palate tips, soak in lemon water, reduces bitterness, blend into meatballs with mushrooms. Food 5. Matcha root. Why it works. McKean's balance, cortisol and thyroid hormones. Glucosinolates detox, excess estrogen. Trial results, 3 grams daily, improved metabolic rate by 16% in 8 weeks. Best form,